Me don't know what them a pre-bout. Akeynote, can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day
Well. Blessed love, guys. Blessed love. Guys, you know the thing goes, you know, it's that time. You know, it's that time. It's that time, you know, it's time to head back home. You know, so I'm just getting prepared. So it's preparation time. You know the thing goes. So, as time gets close, you know, it goes, you know, rain is falling. You know, and I'm gonna head to Eglinton, you know, because you know Pablo is coming to pick me up as well too. You know, but the rain is here. The rain is here. Pablo, that guys, the rain is here, but it's pure ice. Hailstone. Pablo, this. Right, look, it's pure stone ice dropping. Oh my days. Look at that. Pure ice. Yes, look at that. Pure ice. Ice. It's raining ice. It's raining ice. Rain. It's raining ice. Oh my, how you doing?
How you doing? You good?
Good, yeah.
You is going?
I'm going to Eglinton. Whoa, check.
Hey, how are you?
Good. And she gone on the road.
Oh, she's not here?
No, she's not back yet.
Oh, I thought she was here.
Let me call her.
No, it's okay. We're going to drop by to say hi, thing to you, because I don't know if I get back to see you 14 yet. This is bad. Like, you know, this one cause.
Right?
Yeah, this one cause some serious accident. A lot of people can't drive through this. It's hail. I can break a glass, you know.
Yeah.
And it's just sudden. The dudes didn't even say anything.
No, all this stone. Oh my days. So
that's ice pellets.
You have to be careful driving, right?
Yeah, man.
Because I'm just here waiting on my friend to go to Eglinton.
Okay.
As I step outside, I see all of this coming. Oh my days. Hailstone.
Hailstone. That's a hailstone.
Yeah.
Sudden.
Is this him? I think this is him.
That's him? Okay.
Yeah.
Well, you lock the door. Go, because I'm going now.
Yo, Pablo. Yes. I bring the hailstone.
All right. Bye. Yeah, okay. Lock the door, lock the door.
Yeah.
No, don't leave it open.
Yes, good.
I thought she was here.
Wow, the hailstone is here. Guys, it's pure ice. Pure ice. Pablo pulling up. Pablo, this a bring come.
Welcome
to Canada.
I'm telling you,
Angie, Kino, Angie.
Yeah, guys, you know where it goes already.
I tell you.
Here, Pablo. Oh, say a word, guys, and here, Pablo. The hailstone.
I tell you, yes.
You know, all these hailstones coming in, guys. Yeah. So, guys, we're gonna enter Eglinton. You know, think of Canada. And don't link up with Pablo.
I love call me last night. The kid there, here, me just come off my phone. Don't worry. Don't worry, I'm going to check him.
Alright.
I grab him and go downtown.
Yeah.
See some other place them.
Yes, guys, you know your thing goes, you know, time run out, so
yeah.
we have to see each other before we leave.
Yes, can't change.
Can't
change.
So stay tuned, guys, we're going to take it down there. Alright, guys, so yes, so we're on the journey, you know, as you can see it's been raining, you know, so we and Pablo, we stopped off here in Western, you know, yeah, so I know you're most familiar with Western. Big up, brother, big up. What's the I name?
Patrick.
Oh, Patrick.
Yeah, man.
You have to keep the car spick and span about here.
You see it.
So what the light for?
Just to see the car.
Okay,
Yeah,
so that means you're not missing no dust.
No spot.
So this pot car spa.
Yeah, see it.
See there, 4 wheel be.
Yeah. They have 2 boxes of insurance. You want them?
Car wash here. Oh. The winter speak and span. Blessings, my general. More side. So we here in Western. See the place there. Say if you know this place, pot car spa.
Yeah, man.
The 4 will be present, you know.
Yeah, so you see.
So
Kino Life in Jamaica. You did download it? What they tell you if you do? You have to download it.
Because YouTube.
Kino Life in Jamaica. YouTube, you know.
Okay.
Right now you're on it, you know, talk your thing.
Yeah. So tell them exactly where your place is, you know.
Where the address? 4 will be Crescent, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's where I bring my car.
Yeah.
Detail it out.
So we say this is the best car wash?
It's the best of the best.
So why is it the best? Tell them why is it the best?
You get everything spick and span.
Yeah.
Yeah, just like you want it. Just like brand new.
Brand new.
Coming out of the showroom.
Jeez, nothing now left, no crumbs, no dust.
Nothing leave unturned.
Say well shine. Even in the winter when it's snowing, it's still glistening.
Summer, autumn, spring.
Alright, I hear that, guys. You have to come and try that for yourself. You know, here in Western, so, guys, let me say, it's been lots of rain been falling, you know, hailstone, but we're good now, you know, in Western, so we make a stop off here, and then we can head on to Eglinton.
I'm and him drive around. Chichiwe.
So guys, now we're driving through Chichiwe.
Yeah.
You know, still in Western.
Heading to Eglinton.
Yeah, we're still in Western, same, right?
No,
now come off Western Road, right?
Western Road, yeah.
So we're going through
Chichiwe. When we make the left, we came off Western Road.
Okay. So off Western Road, driving through Chichiwe. I can see the wet place. There with the General Pablo himself, you know. This place don't need no introduction to the program. Done did a long time. You know, from the first time this man step in Trenchtown, come look for Alimum. It's Dasa.
Yes, sir.
From then till now, you know.
Yeah, change.
Always looking out for the team.
One heart and love.
Yeah, man. Man, not speaking mind from the heart.
Yes, sir.
Nothing but love alone. They say, whoa, chef.
Whoa, chef,
you know.
You come to Canada, see Tim Martins there, you can come grab your tea.
Yeah. Whoa, chef, a 2 hour Tim Martins.
12 Division Police Precinct.
Oh, so where you
see that?
Oh, so that's the police station over there, the precinct.
12 Division Police Station.
So who is them supposed to be? The bad boys them?
No, everybody a bad boy for you life.
Yeah. So them one of them more serious. Yeah, the Toronto Police Service.
Yeah.
12th Division.
Yeah, man, when them come hard, you know.
Yeah, like SWAT.
Like everything.
Like everything.
You don't want your gun. From them your gun, you ain't a problem, you know.
Yes, you don't want the 12th Division coming for you, you know. You know what time it is, you know. So you have to behave yourself.
One time you could have only stay in your jurisdiction, you know.
Yeah.
Don't them change up everything. You can be anywhere I work. 11 division, 12 division, 13 division.
Oh, so you go up in numbers.
Yeah.
Okay.
And anytime you see a police vehicle,
yeah,
and you see the number on the sign say 11,
yeah,
22,
yeah,
11 is the division, and the 22 is the number card.
Okay. So the higher number, is it them more technical?
Not really.
Just a
Not
number?
really. It's just mandatory. That's how they mark the cars.
Oh. So what up? Canada police and America police, which one is better?
Yeah?
So the Canada,
I feel mad police, the America. Over here, so you're lenient. And as me, I tell you which part you were before,
yeah,
where I left,
yeah,
I don't like over that side.
Yeah.
As I tell you, those guys are the peels.
Oh, the police.
The peel guys don't make deals.
Okay.
From the get here, going down.
Going down. That's over in Brampton side. The police they don't play.
No.
They don't play.
Peel don't make no deal. You hear it right?
Yeah. Peel don't make no deals. Them strict over there.
Yeah.
Even with color as well too. Like the more problem with that.
No.
Okay.
No, but you want me know? We don't bring racists in it.
Yeah.
But these guys, they are way up north. They come work down here, you know.
Okay.
Yeah.
So them know
So you
no
definitely you would say because you're black.
Yeah,
so you know them boy are racist, you know, because and them come from up north, you know, a Ku Klux Klan, them don't care about you.
Okay.
That's why them say no deal, no make no deal.
Yeah. The guys they hear about that, no make no deal. So wait, the Ku Klux Klan, is it big in Canada also?
The Ku Klux Klan?
Yeah, is it big in Canada?
Akeynote.
Because we know it's like it's in America still, you know?
Yeah.
But I know, but it's in Canada as well too?
Why?
The KKK. I don't know, let me know, guys.
Them there everywhere, you know.
That's true.
I know I said them there, you know, but I said them there everywhere.
That's true. So guys, so the weather is like some UK weather, you know, wet and grey. It's not a normal Toronto weather still, you know. Okay, you know, them places nothing but ice, you know. So these places colder than America by far.
See it? Eglinton right here now.
Yeah.
So we're gonna make a left on Eglinton. This is Keel and Eglinton.
So this is Keel and Eglinton, no?
Chichiwe and Eglinton.
Okay. So this is where it starts from here.
Yeah. No, gone way down so, you know.
Oh, so this is a long road, right?
Oh, yeah, sir.
Okay.
It gone way up so.
So it's Eglinton Avenue
Eglinton
West. Okay.
Eglinton Street West.
So it's a long street.
Aye.
Oh, I think it was a community itself. It's just a long
It's a community, but long community.
A long community.
Yeah, because you have everything.
So this is where you find the locals them.
Yeah.
Okay.
A lot of Jamaicans is on this street.
Yeah.
It used to be prettier than this when Jamaicans were here.
Oh.
Even though you know it don't know.
Yeah.
But things change. People change their living. Live somewhere else.
Yeah. So is it cheaper to live down here?
Not really, you know.
It's not cheaper.
Toronto?
Yeah, is it more cheaper, you think, to live down here like at Eglinton side?
Yeah. I feel so too, you know. I'm going to a restaurant.
Yeah. Vegetarian.
Yeah. Irish veg.
Irish veg, so it's a Jamaican spot.
Rasta, man.
Rasta.
Years in there,
Yeah.
you know what I mean? Like, little bit of years.
Only for years.
Him used to the way up so. But now him there so now. Forward now.
Jamaican.
Yeah, man.
Rasta, man. So guys, I'm gonna check out this out the window. Bring up my window there.
Yosh. Bring up the window.
My window.
Yeah, that's one.
Irish veg. Check out the Irish veg.
YouTuber.
Are the Rasta man this?
Yeah, man. I one of them general them.
Most time. You say this is the vital place. You see? Look like you have a whole heap of hair upon the head star.
Yeah, man, it's up on ground. Oh, yeah, some of that
Decades.
Oh, yeah,
You say this is the spot, the vital spot. So I will say all the Baba roots. Moringa. Okay. So finally, this is something I represent home. Yeah. You see all the merengue there. Merengue good, you know.
Yeah, man, them man, yeah. And the rest of them, you know. What kind of stew you have there?
Red pea and pumpkin.
Red pea and the pumpkin?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
You want some feet, you know?
Yes, sir.
Yo, what kind of stew you have in the vessel them there? And take that you make some.
Vital spot.
Yeah, man. I have soy chunks, tofu. Which one?
No, tofu.
That's one, the first one. With
So this is one of the main spot, Pablo.
Yeah, man, time we want some ital, I have some cook.
Okay, eat the ital food. Now we have Andre quiet, you know, so I'm very humble. Humble and thing. You guys see there? You know, anyway, you see Rasta, you have to see Selassie himself. You have to see the black leaders them also.
I show them this, take picture and show them.
Yeah, man. We are black inventors there. So this now, explain this to me then now, like we have them to show them, so.
Black people make all those things that white people are taking to themselves to say they make it.
Okay.
So I go and piano, whatever.
Okay, so them have,
So
them make things,
yeah.
and white man are going like them make
Alright,
it.
so basically guys, so this is what all black people invent before white people start.
A feeding thing, that's it.
So see we have the telephone there, so we first do that. So we have the light bulb there, you know, and what else we have here? You see this? Air conditioner,
Everything up them.
the toilet there, fridge.
Must run the forward on.
You want to get a gas for the thing, you know, because you two tap up on the...
I'm breaking it high places, you know. Anyhow,
Yeah.
anyhow, when I make ting, I go on like so, mango tree, me make mango tree, beer, lemon.
Well, that's good. That's great miracle for a black one, you know.
Hey, yeah, that's no easy.
Let's say mango tree, beer, lemon. That's how great black people is, you know. Because the first time guys they don't even hear that, you know. Mango tree, beer, lemon, you know.
Grapefruit tree and mango.
Breadfruit tree about mango. Well, I love to see that one there. You know, Jah equal one most time.
A street over there, sir.
Yeah, right across the road, that's okay.
Then call that one down there.
Chichi
Trich the way. Trich the way.
Oh, Trich the way.
Yes, not Chichi way.
Okay, and I was saying Chichi way, so it's Trich the way.
It's not a...
But my original Trenchtonian, I'm from Trenchtown.
You from Trenchtown?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, me know if I be from Trenchtown, I go from Trenchtown. I come from Bobo Hill, church from, you know.
Bobo Hill?
Yeah, my original Bullby Heights. My name is Bullby.
So you want to go?
Beach, so then call Bob Marley Beach, so I put Jordan Beach.
Jordan Beach. Why?
Do you think me catch you next time?
What do you mean, what?
Because I don't know, because you
Because
tell
on my
me.
beach, I mean, see if two people out the Bob Marley, come out and dash your money.
Okay. They show him Jordan Beach.
Yo,
It's a great man this day, man.
You don't even know what I want.
It's a great man this
You
day.
look simple, but you don't know, so I'm not carrying
He
it.
don't look simple. He's a great man this.
General. And we are go up and walk with a van in a few. Same place every time.
With all the charm.
With all the time.
Basically, Bob Marley just come and just give away money.
Talk to you, know.
It's a kind of wrestler. It's a kind of wrestler with come and dash you some money, so we want to pick up money like four. Blessed love.
Okay.
We want to pick up.
Bless
We used to live out there, right? One
Yeah,
at a time.
on a new scheme.
Okay.
Man, do them out and do all of them.
Okay, okay.
The bar where Van go there, and pay skills.
Skill code, skill
Yeah,
code.
then they go up the road from Bob.
So they come take away what the work where you put in.
No, they don't take away nothing.
And them give him the name.
Because as a beach and truck is a big singer, so you know they want to get tourist attraction and all these
Makes
things.
sense, makes
But
sense.
them use that for going in on the beach, try to take the beach from the people. Them. So what I mean, I say, put up Bob Marley the beach, no tourists now come, but them are come say they want to take the beach from people.
Yes.
Which no one have no right on the beach to take no beach from no one. There I see.
True.
That's a natural phenomenon. The beach of heaven. That's
I like the beach. I still look. I've been out there one time, and the only water I feel it, I feel cold, just feel nice. Water clear.
Yeah,
you know, it's a nice good vibration out there as well too.
But we'll be a Rasta, you know.
Good to great to be the eye. I a great man now. You see me I say? So she a great man, you know. So it's Jordan Beach. So when time I go them place there, I go always mention and say, yo, you have to always remember Jordan. So once I mention the name, they know already. You see me I say? So from but people go see up on a video and say, yo, know that place there, you know. When you mention Bob Marley and say, okay, it's from Jordan from them time there. You know? A pause man. Great man. I'm saying this man do a lot of charity work back home now. That's what my program based about, help less people in a church town and outside of church town.
So I say that now, I'm done. It's just by I said it go while. And now I'm kind of over
yes.
Yeah, we do these little thing for the people them down on the forward.
Yeah. That's the work for me, though. Yes,
That's round this up. We all are trying from Bob used to live around them places, and them man they're supposed to in dance and radiate, but here we're going up a yard now. And overall still enough people by yard don't know for them there. If you ask someone up a yard, so which part you there?
Yeah.
It's a Jamaica and then so which part of Jamaica, then the West Indies, and then so which part of the West Indies, then the Caribbean. And then so which part of the Caribbean, then they get vexed and they say, oh, but you have to question.
Yes, my lord, honorable.
Honorable.
And general this in the store.
Yes, sir.
More side. We like what go on, you know, so we have to probably have to bring it.
Come from, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
I always have a trench so we say, yo, Rastafari, you know, Bob Marley, I love, you know. So I appear great man there, you know.
So we had to pass through our...
Yeah, I'm there pass through, you know.
I mean, he can't come to your car. You don't know nowhere.
Yeah. So we're there with the food lord, and we're there with the beach god, you know, Jordan, beach guy, you know. Yeah, man. But we are saying make a lot of sense, because when they say about the Caribbean, they will say about that part there.
Yeah, North America.
And when they ask them where North America there.
But them think North America,
okay.
Conquest the boss, and make him tell you about the place.
Yeah.
So when a man bad up himself now and kill people, but I got a new king, so I get passport because I got a foreign.
Yeah.
And he reach Canada. He think a foreign and then they are not blood foreign. Still they pan the road when born.
See you, we
If you want to be a Europe, or Asia, reach Africa, they are foreign again. They are more about feed women there. So you find that's why you have the conflict up by everybody bad.
Yeah.
Nobody don't know where them there.
True.
So I say, so man feel the same just in the middle of the sea and no one can rate it. Just now, when you ready to fire out and flying around blood clot flying.
We're still the same place.
It's the same place in over there.
That's a good distance away.
And the America in it the same place in there.
Yeah, true. You know, how they make it, man. You know? Wisdom. You see that love for reason some more can realize that the world need to hear these things we're talking about, you know.
I be a bad man, no bad no listen nothing because I'm gonna tell you say, oh, like you know more or you know everything. But if a man tell you that, guess what I'm tell you say? Actually I'm tell you, so you know everything, you know, but him don't know it.
He want you to shut up.
He want you to shut up.
Shut up. I'm not saying chat too much. Isn't it?
Right can't beat wrong can't beat right.
Yeah.
So him just go on and ignorant self until he buck out him to him still need you.
The angry mind, man, the ego there, man, the ego.
I'm gonna go on the wickedest way, but if I come and pin took him, so you know. Ball, blood a whole leather shoes, you know.
And you will see him when he said chat too much, I come tell him what to do now. Because he don't have a clue. You see there. Great man, you know, great man. Jordan, great Jordan, more strength.
I see your program online, man.
Yeah. So you say how long now you have this place running
You
here?
know, so right, that's somebody there about what, 16 years, you know, but
Yeah.
on the block 26 years.
Okay.
Coming up the road there, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Come down that side there and just go and hold it and
So you get everything idle and healthy life.
Everything. Everybody has to come tell you.
Yeah, yeah.
You know what, I got there's no fish, no
Not there, nothing at all. It's all plant based. 16 years now you've been running the same place. So that place where known already then.
Yeah, man,
So with my little eyes now can bring in more people come say, okay, Keno was here.
Yeah, man, 2593 Eglinton Avenue West, man. Right, that's how them, man.
So what's the eye name?
Years in the blood.
I'm Mark Simon name, you know. Years, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Yeah man, so it's like I'm running to Ibos Spice place right now.
Yeah.
You know, cause you know Ibos Spice down
Iron Street.
Iron Street.
No.
Ibos Spice, what thing we call it? Breadfruit burger and them good thing there, you know?
Yeah, that's a good. So,
yeah man, nice man, me I tell you man.
yeah, that's plant based.
Yeah.
Plant based are the best for those people.
Yeah,
Yeah, man.
Me a vegetarian you know.
Yeah.
Yeah man.
Straight.
Straight man.
Fish and
Yeah, that's that.
yeah, after a while, it does.
Yeah, but it's hardly,
I have a sick and all them things.
No, cause me not sick.
That's what I say.
Cause straight herbal, me not deal with that. It's not the area.
7 man are sick.
Yeah.
A foul sick.
Yeah, get one of them meringue, you know, please. Okay, what's the food?
Rice and peas.
Oh yeah, the rice and peas. Alright.
I have fried dumpling and whole wheat, you know.
Yeah,
Stew.
it's true there.
Pumpkin stew.
Okay.
Stew.
Oh,
Having big bread.
okay. Alright, so.
You want mix up everything?
No, I just want the stew.
It's true.
Yeah.
Fried dumpling?
No fried dumpling.
Okay.
No fried. Get some of the broccoli and some of your steamed veg there.
One rice?
Yeah, liquid rice, no tofu.
Ethiopian, you know. Straight Ethiopian, you know.
Yeah, from Ethiopia.
Yeah.
Oh.
I just afraid him afraid, you know.
Yeah, yeah.
Anytime him see the food, him get afraid. Eh?
So that means that you're kind of colonized, right?
No, never.
No. So what year is it now in Ethiopia? What year is it now?
7 years ahead.
8 years ahead, right? Is it 8?
No.
Is it more than 8?
20. Oh.
It's all right, we check in again.
Yeah. Man, about 2018 now.
Check in again.
Yeah, 18 or 18
2018 now.
Yeah, I think it's
Oh, we go behind.
2017 right now.
17 or 18.
Yeah.
September.
Well,
That's-
now you aside that Selassie, Selassie live, you know.
I live next to Selassie.
Yeah, next door to
But next door, Cho.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, the neighbor. So guys, as I always mention this, me, I'm living in Ethiopian time. So I wasn't colonized. So I'm 8 years younger than before. So that's my choice right now. I'm living in Ethiopia time. So if you feel like you can also do the same. So once you do the same, you can also feel the same. You know, so it's all about how you feel. You know? Yeah, it's all about how you feel. So, not because they tell you say you colonize, they can tell yourself that you are me, I live in Ethiopian time. So you're 8 years younger right now, so you can tell yourself that. So me, 8 years younger. Because them saying you cannot kill the inner child inside of you. You understand? You keep that alive. So feeling younger all the time. So me get myself some of the item where it's vital, you know. There's some pumpkin stew and some lentils and things, some broccoli and steamed veg. You know, everywhere we go. Hey, put the meringue on it as well.
Do I remember?
Yeah, one meringue there.
Meringue.
Go on.
Right back. How much is it?
Raz, how much is it?
Straight from here, because you have to have your thing to feel like you're here. Yeah.
Yeah, we catch up on it.
Jordan.
Said love, Rasta.
It's not my car, you know? Alright, most friend, yeah? We catch up, man.
Enjoy yourself, bro.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Like this.
Yeah, man. Pull on, man. Alright, then, so bless you, yeah? Yeah, man. Alright, guys, so see there? Our vegetarian spot, so get some food. Right. There on the stretch now, Eglinton.
Yeah, so I stop up Virgin up there, so and sell juice, but I don't know what type of juice.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is the famous Eglinton everyone is saying,
yeah.
You need to go.
And I don't guess the famous part, you know. Up at Oakwood and Van. Oakwood and Eglinton.
Okay.
So they're
that's where you find most Jamaicans, right? When they have
not really most. I mash up now. Yeah. You see it.
And say anywhere too much black there after a while.
Stay long, you know.
Stay long.
Only the good salvation last year.
There's that thing we need to change, guys. We really need to change this thing. Them say anywhere too much black there, you know. It's either we fight against one another.
Yeah.
You know, I would decide for us decide, say, you know, I wouldn't like that person. Like, we need to get rid of that mentality. You know, it's that thing we'll keep on do over the years of fight against one another. I don't see the reason why, you know, because the rest of the nation and now do that. It was we alone. You know, but we don't like what we so.
We don't like ourselves.
They don't like life itself. You don't like yourself, you don't like life itself. Look on the person and say you don't like it. You don't like life. Well, the first one I've been here.
Well, this is one of the hotspot party shop.
Okay.
Tinnels.
Okay.
Yeah.
So a lot of people probably know that shop.
Definitely.
Tinnels. So you gotta check out this party shop.
Yeah. We're bridging them.
Probably.
I'm a virgin, man.
Okay.
You don't know, see how you know.
Recognize. Alright. Manners, my general.
Never hear about him on YouTube? Oh, Kino. Yeah. Kino
See it on the YouTube channel, man.
Oh, big up yourself, man.
All the while.
All the while. They are pass through, you know. Stay away just for the weather, though.
Then we have to stay for the weather, you know, brother.
Wait, not so cold, man. Not so cold, man. It's not so cold.
Imagine you just come up and that hey, only my years we live in it, you know, brother.
Some not living it long too, man.
Yeah.
I'm living it long too, you know. Not so cold, man.
Well, this is true, you young and me old.
Alright,
you have to take care of making go in dance.
Protect the bones. Yeah. Just go and protect the bones.
Where you going there? General. The great Kino life in Jamaica.
Ah, I'm a general.
Great Kino life in Jamaica.
Mad. I go and sip a soup.
They already, you know, we have to bring him around the man.
Yeah, I go and... Yeah, man, cool, no?
Why?
I go and sip a soup.
Yeah, man, imagine. No, I'm not. Hey, what are the first sip soup, you know? You sip in a sip.
A sip in a sip. No soup, no Sarge. Next door. Yeah.
And the great Tinnels.
And that's the best party in town.
The bar there. And then China around there.
Shiny girl, them say the best party spot
Yeah, man.
in town.
So we just endorse the thing, eh? YouTube. Yeah, you know, so
What type of party have up there?
Spicy beef, chicken and veggie.
Oh, spicy beef, chicken and veggie. And my father a party man, you know. They imagine that. I heard it, yeah? Big up, man, yeah. Tinnels.
You know life in Jamaica this.
Yeah.
YouTuber.
Yeah.
Five family that hear that.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Aye.
So
See
there,
yourself on it.
yeah,
Download it, Kino Life in Jamaica.
my
And you have to
YouTube.
see this way you have to on it, you know.
So tell us something, tell us about there now, like how there.
2519 Eglinton Avenue West, right beside the Tunnel Paddy. Yeah.
So right next to-
AJ Unique Fashion.
So here you get all the nice, they see them, they can see themselves, all the dainty stuff them for the ladies them. So it's only ladies, no
We
gentlemen?
have a little bit for the man them, but we're gonna sort them out when the new year more. You
Okay.
don't know.
So right now, so I represent mostly for the ladies.
Ladies for now.
Oh, for now. See that
Yeah.
boy, see that one, the lady, see there? How we call that one, you know? I want to see right. I want to see right through, you know.
Let's see through bling.
And you have the Chanel them, and yes, I like it, you know. So you know if we represent and big up the place, same way, you know.
Big up yourself.
Where in Jamaica you from?
Mandeville.
So you never really get affected by the hurricane?
No.
Okay. Glad to know. And anyone, you know. So see that we have the MK, you know, the Michael course is here. You know, for sure, 6.5 a year aside to come get it before it's gone, you know. And she right next to her Tinel's, you know. So remember, check out Keen Life in Jamaica. You know, guys, I'm telling you, can come here, come give her a check, support her, you know, because we support her own, you know. And she's a Jamaican trying. I'm like this, you know.
Thank you.
You never come here, come sit down and waste time.
Exactly.
So how long now the story is here?
Right before the COVID, a week before the COVID, like 5 years.
Okay.
Yeah.
You're still standing strong.
Yeah.
So it's very successful.
You have to do what you gotta do in life. You have to try. If you don't try, then life will go left you, right?
Of course. But I talk about this Eglinton, you know, so me hear, you know, so more you tell me something about Eglinton, why everybody talk about
you know, say Eglinton is a little Jamaican, you know, we do it thing.
Okay.
Yeah.
So Jamaica not them place?
Yeah, we have a little place. You don't know if you go up the top, they have jerk and all kind of
okay. So you say everywhere Jamaica, we look about Talawa, you know.
Not true.
We all about, we have our own community as well, the little Jamaica. So where them call Jamaica Village? Where is that?
Jamaica Village?
Yeah, is it the same?
It's the same.
Okay.
It's the same.
So probably people give it different names, Jamaica
Village. They give it
Village.
different names.
Okay.
Yeah.
You know which we get a bad pie, you know, that yellow one, yeah. Oh Lord. So what's your name?
My name is Andrea.
Andrea, so it's nice meeting you. So
nice
I'm keen,
meeting you too.
You know, so get your phone, let me show you the YouTube channel so you can check it out. So you know, when you see this pop up, you know what type it is. So see there's a ladies come for the summer wear, the party wear, the wedding wear, the anywhere you want to wear is right here. You know, right next to Tinel. Party place, you can't go wrong. Come support Andrea. You know, everything goes already. So guys, over here in Eglinton, so I go and pass through. And so I go on, you know. So big up Andrea.
And I really appreciate it.
Thanks.
Really appreciate it.
Yeah,
you know?
man. Yeah, man. Thanks, man.
I'm a little virgin that too, you know.
Oh, Pablo.
Never pass without me saying.
Notice you like my family, you know. I want to take him away, you know. We need him. I want to take care of the whole of Jamaica, you know.
Yeah.
I'm a family that too.
Yeah, I should tell you about
heart of love same way. Yeah, man.
Take care, Andrea.
Yeah, and that's your thing.
Yeah, man.
And that's your thing, man. Put it up on YouTube.
Man.
On the block.
You
have that. You have sour sap and lime, you know, and I know you're regular thing. You have sour sap and lime, you have magnum, you have stiffener, you have all fruit stripe, you have spirulina, you have one walk with Gleaner and walk with Lena. I tell you, I drink up all the Sabrina, Medina and all them kind of stuff there.
Yeah.
Spirulina build up your confidence and build up your confidence.
So these,
you want, you know.
So we said the beetroot make you talk truth.
Yeah, beetroot make you talk truth and carrot and the girl they make you bust the juice.
Yeah. So where you sweeten these though?
We use date.
Oh, date?
Yes.
Okay. Well, got to try to work with the beetroot. You know, because we always like to talk the truth, you know?
Beetroot and talk the truth.
You take one of them one.
Sour sap, lime and ginger.
Sour sap, lime and ginger. You talk the truth, you know? So see them and the juice, man. Alright, so guys, see there, I try the beef, you know? Shreddy.
Great shreddy this, you know. From Rockford.
Rockford?
Yeah, man.
Oh. So not done for Melissa?
Yeah, man, Melissa. Only for sour sap. Sure, Melissa. What's happening? I'm done for Melissa. Yeah. Melissa come down to Jamaica and take away all our bird paper. Me can't take them style there.
She go on bad. Alright, you're big up.
Heart of love.
Yeah.
Heart of love. You hear me, I tell you?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. So they fight, so they die.
Yes,
Let them fight and let them die.
Cool,
no, my general, man. I love you, know.
Right there.
Right there. Yeah, man.
Big up, man, every time.
That is it.
I respect you always watching the program, same way.
Yeah, man. Clean your life in Jamaica, man.
Living colors.
Yes, man, in a living colors.
Where's my name, man?
Escobar. That is it.
Remember a long time Pablo superstar, you know.
Years.
That is it, man.
Yeah, man.
So you think good doors?
Come give us a small endorsement, you see.
Man, you're real, man.
Yeah, man. Real. We don't change.
Front, back, and behind.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man. The cooler man never tell me.
Nobody can program we, you know.
No.
And we don't follow back, man, you know. We are leader.
Yeah.
You know, see it, if you're no leader, you're a follower.
Exactly.
Don't say a word.
Hopeful.
Alright, so big up here.
Yeah, brother.
Most right, brother. Yeah. Oh, no, man. The spot the man said for him see Pablo, him see me, I'm like, wait there, look like Akeynote that.
Yeah, man, them you then left me out, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. The man, they be a fight, them get at them there, same way.
Yes.
Nah, move.
Nah,
and the man we are fighting back a runway.
Yeah. I see anything you are talking about why was a fight against one another for no reason at all.
Why we can't eat and you eat?
Yeah. Yeah, that's where we're coming from.
Oh, yeah, food.
Yeah, so big up, you know.
Heart of love, my brother.
Heart of love.
Safe with the love and
yeah, man.
The journey same way with the thing, you know.
Yes, man. Cool, man.
Heart of love every time, man. Yo,
yeah.
Pablo.
Alright, then, yeah? Alright, guys, so we're still here, same way. You know, Eglinton
strip.
And the longest strip right now.
One of the longest.
I can imagine in here in the summer, what's it like? Busy.
Busy like the president.
Busy, everyone walking up and down. And that's why I definitely never come back in the summer. Yes. This is just a winter experience, you know, so I have to share the summer between here and America. That's what I do my summer this time. Canada and America.
That will come in a nice summertime.
Of course. I see what the place is. Definitely have to pass through. So guys, if you see anywhere we know, you know, just let me know. I'm here in your place. We're giving you a show. Really strict this.
I am a juice place, you know.
Yeah?
I get the juice.
What, natural juice?
Chew me the one, give my brethren a support.
Okay.
You know, see it, but I make you get your juice, you know.
Yeah, natural. So you see the jerk pan, you know it's Jamaica. Usually in the snow, even in the rain. So we got the Supreme juice bar. Natural so far.
No, man.
Oh.
See the foreigner here?
Yes, sir.
You know how that look for him good?
Bless you, we know the juice.
The YouTuber.
I know I see the face, but I try to
pick it up back. Yeah, well, I'm in a place, you know. So you can endorse the things from the YouTube, you know.
Man.
You know, me have to bring him come round here, you know. Because you're the best thing ever, you know. See the thing, you know.
So wait, which juice is him just make? Which one this?
Peanut punch.
Oh, peanut punch.
It's the last thing you've been getting for the last 5 years.
Natural thing you're getting. Make same time you're right.
Yeah. Oh, natural.
Yeah.
What's the ingredient in that?
Peanut.
Yeah.
Peanut, sea moss. Hold on, what's it?
Peanut, sea moss. You've been getting this for the last how many years?
5 years.
5 years.
Ever since you started, you know, they don't. The same exact one that they drink.
Yeah, that was a long support they've been getting from him, man.
Yeah, man.
So you've been here a very long time then?
Yeah, 5 years.
5 years.
Yeah.
Friends open.
Yeah.
Alright, so tell me again, what's inside of this right now?
Okay, so peanut, raw peanut, sea moss, protein shake powder, and just pretty much almond milk.
Okay. Well, it's nice. We used to sweeten it. Dates or
no, I use the honey.
Honey, okay.
Yeah.
See
Sometimes
that?
they have a preference, so if they want dates, give them dates. If they want maple syrup, then
Yeah.
that too.
Okay.
It all depends on what they want. Right?
Simple.
It's simple. So the menu is very long as well too. You have all the immune boost, detox and everything.
You know where you hit that wrong. Detox you just want to.
Oh, the hangover is the itabe, the apple, carrot, beets, lemon and ginger. Yeah, man. Pack with everything. So Pablo, what you regular you always get when you come here?
Man, I want green sitting, you know.
Spirulina.
Some are green.
Some are green.
Sometimes we get the stallion. Depends on how you feel. Get a lot of different stuff, yeah.
So the summer green, what is summer green? Let me see the summer green.
The summer green.
Oh, the summer green of the mango, pineapple, the orange, banana, ginger. Yeah, it makes sense. Yeah. Summer green makes sense, Pablo.
Yeah, man. Bad, man.
And I work with the summer green.
Yeah, man.
If it were winter, so I'm to the winter. And the winter green.
Still the winter. turn the summer into winter, you know. Yeah, man, but most of the time, like in the winter now, it's the popular thing, you know, immune boost, detox, because all the ingredients pretty much boost the immune system. Keep you away from the.
So you do delivery or does
Uber Eats,
Uber
Dash, Skip.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this right here I'm looking at is just a shot, right?
Yeah, that's a turmeric
shot.
Cayenne style. Bro, take care, yeah, see you, yeah.
Yeah, because me always take them one there as well too.
Yeah.
And see my potting at the tree as well.
Yo. You want to know?
What, a shot?
Yeah, you know, so you have to give me the shot before you give me my green.
Oh.
Alright, sir.
Pablo with the shot.
Okay, a long time is me asking
So guys, so as I say, Supreme Juice Bar, check it out. You know, see what Eglinton, you know, everything goes already. So give them, so tell them exactly where you are.
Yeah, so the corner Dufferin and Eglinton behind the Pizza Hut, towards the parking lot to go to Dollarama and Shoppers.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then for them, you can put Pizza Hut there behind you and you go in front, you know. Trust. Yeah, always time. Yeah, man, you have to go push up front, you know, and send Pizza out on the next side, you know. Understand that? So yeah, let me try the summer thing there, you know. If I'm probably try the summer green, I'm going to try the summer green because it makes sense what's inside of it.
Don't make him know, so me too have thing from Jaladi.
Yeah, we know, even my last time you probably have things down there.
That's it.
Everybody in summer.
Now
So I'm going to definitely try the summer green because it makes sense what's inside of it. You know, the mango, the pineapple, the kale, the spinach, the banana, the ginger, the lemon, you know, lemon juice and the honey in that. So you know, I have to definitely go and try that, you know, but there's a lot of choice right here where you can choose from. So much, you know, so if you're in the area and close by, trust me, just come and try. You know, but I'm gonna try it, but whatever taste, trust me, just come and buy. So we're gonna try it. So I'm picture it right now. You know, I'm a jerk, so he's the one that jerking outside as well. So see the jerk pan there. So you know, anyway, it's a jerk pan, you know, a Jamaican. You know, not saying another country not jerking about, boy, Jamaica represent more for the jerk. Yeah, food represent. The jerk chicken, jerk this, jerk that, jerk fish, jerk shrimp, you know, jerk everything with jerk. We have all the season when you jerk too. You know, so you know, so we ever feel jerk. So yeah. So we have to pass through and say what I want for sure. So we'll see what the juice make out of.
Yeah, one green.
Well, yeah, try it.
You see there?
Yeah, try it.
Summer green.
Right. Politics are bringing at this.
Not really, but that's why you use my red strong.
Okay.
So drink my green thing.
We just want to make sure, you know?
So I go on, you know.
Give me a...
Just want to make sure.
Me a machine, you know.
So me show I go on.
Yeah, machine.
I remember if you ever tried it. I think so.
Machine. You can taste the ginger night. Start with put the taste.
Ready.
Real ginger.
Ready, cat.
Yeah, the summer green, yeah, Pablo.
Yeah, man, bad, man.
The summer green, I go on. Guys, yeah. Bad. You know, when you hear me say, you know what I go on, Summer green. So if you want to feel warmish or hottish in the winter time, you have to come try the summer green.
Good. True.
Right now.
You can't lose.
No, you can't lose.
Alright, so you don't know how hard I love you, brother.
This up here?
Stand up, man. We have to carry it.
Yeah, man.
Family come and dance.
Oh, yeah, your family?
Yeah, man, big up, man, big up.
Can't change, we're not dealing with friends. Family, we deal with
family.
Alright, that's the word, here, blood.
Yeah, man, one love, yeah, I'm not gonna link up. Alright, yeah.
Jerk, we are jerk.
So, the road where we are going to come out, man.
Yeah.
Dufferin.
Dufferin.
Eglinton, that I go up same way.
Okay.
But we can go up this way.
There.
Real jerk, 100% grill. No oven bake.
No oven bake. That I eat. Even in the winter, when it's snowing. When it's snowing, chicken is jerking.
You don't want to try a piece of
No, I'm gonna eat meat.
Is that meat? Okay, yeah, good then.
Yeah.
Respect that.
Alright, respect, yeah?
Yeah, yeah.
Alright, brother. Bless.
Alright guys, so we stop off here. We stop with a barber shop. Michael's. Let me get a haircut.
You know that, you know?
You know this?
Yeah.
Okay. You don't got a ear now, watch. You don't feel a ear, if you watch. Yeah.
It does work.
Oh. Yeah.
Copy them one another.
Oh.
You have to learn, everybody have to learn from each one.
Yeah.
One teach one.
Of course.
Enough time we log in, man, a pure island thing we are watching, you know what I mean?
Yeah, back home, you know?
Yeah, back home thing, brother, you know. I close this thing, we are sitting home right now, you know what I mean?
True. That.
My heart now broke through.
What would I say? Yeah. Big up yourself, man. Big up yourself.
So when they say I go down?
Monday.
Oh, say I go down. Yeah, me forgot send down.
Forgot send down. Alright, so I should go airport while
where there you from?
CG.
Oh, CG you say, yeah. CG. So what them the place in really?
Yeah, man, I mostly like countryside. So, guys, I am here.
You just insisting.
With a name. But we don't want to hear. You know, but that's how we have to go here really.
Oh my god, why you loaded me up like that?
Oh, but I guess. Alright, we have Melissa here.
1532 Eglinton Avenue West. That's where you can find me, guys.
You can find Melissa here in Canada. We go think she gone already, but she's still there. You're seeing me. Melissa, why? Melissa, give me a good reason why.
It's not me, blame my mom. It's just the name. I didn't do that, okay?
So, did you know you like her name even more?
No.
No. You want to change it now, right?
Not really.
What if you have a name like yours right now, but that's changing? You know, beg forgiveness from my parents.
9 days and they're gonna forget about me.
No man, not 3 weeks almost now and still not forget about it.
Don't worry. Once Jamaica rebuild, they're gonna forget about me.
No man, that's not history. All music, kind of music, show, everything. You know Jamaican already, you know. We're gonna use Melissa as a metaphor in the music, you know? Yeah man. Woman like Melissa. Take her all the furniture. No.
It's still pure love though.
Yeah, it's pure love.
Pure love.
So guys, this Melissa is okay, you know, she's not as the hurricane
wonderful
Melissa. Yeah, so you can.
This is not the bad one, guys. This is a good one.
So guys, so she's a stylist located here and tell them again.
Eglinton Avenue West, 1532 Eglinton Avenue West.
Yeah.
Michael's Barbershop is called.
Okay, so if you want to get your style then done, just come and link her, you know. But tall, but she's short. She liquid, but she tall, you know. Yeah guys, so anything so we're going to flow through same me and Pablo. So it's nothing but love and love. So Melissa, why I wish I saw the one that went past through Jamaica, the kind of peace in her, you know. Nothing. They all zinc them and everything, the root. No, they're not yet, man. They probably not like the name.
Oh my god.
So we can call her Melly. Her name is Melly, not Melissa anymore.
Okay.
So this is
Yes,
Melly, you know? Yes. So from now on, her name is Melly. Right, Melly?
Yes, sir.
That's much better. Alright? So this is Awkward and Van.
Yeah, man, Awkward and Van, yeah, so. Right, Tato?
Yeah.
So, going up to Eglinton
is
Awkward. Okay. Going across
is Van. So the Van is this way, and Oakwood is that way.
Straight up.
So it's Oakwood and Van.
Righteous.
Well, I've been hearing that name, so I am here. I'm here. Oakwood and Van. Akeynote is here.
On the gravel.
On the gravel. See the guy? So I'm at Sam's, Oakwood and Van. I've been hearing that name since I got here. Eh?
Always fresh. You can't dance it, you know.
Well, right, just so. Oakwood and Van.
One of the boss can at the minute.
Okay. Them place you can't dead for hungry, man. Because you always have food.
Same there.
Okay.
Yeah, at the boss.
At the boss that?
No, at the boss.
Oh.
The boss type
Big up. At the general at?
Glass.
Big up. I want to think them place you cannot go hungry. Food and everything always here. You cannot go hungry down by Eglinton side, guys, because everything is here. The amount of food shop, you know, the amount of Caribbean food shop I've come across already since I'm down here in England. It's amazing so much. You know, down here is different. Remind me in the south, you know, just like here in New York as well too. You have one stretch for those pure Caribbean place as well too. National foods right here. Otherwise,
Yeah, bearded this, you know.
Tell him again.
Vinci.
Vinci, I'm bearded.
Real youth them here.
Vinci Quincy.
YouTube, you're up on, you know.
Vinci Quincy. It's a long time to two of them are forward.
Yo!
I'm good.
I'm good. Yeah, man, there, man.
Vinci Quincy.
I'm a virgin, man. I'm a man.
Yeah.
Oakwood and Van.
Oakwood and Van. Yeah? We're not fight.
Quincy and Vinci.
Hey, if you download it, you're going to see it on YouTube, you know. Yeah. Download it. Akeynote Life in Jamaica.
YouTube it.
Yeah, man.
Quincy and Vinci. So guys, I'm in your place. So on my last day before heading out back to Jamaica, you know, making this flex with you and Pablo on my last day. It's so time fly fast. It's like I just came like literally yesterday. You know, now it's time. You know, it's wet. It's been raining as well too. So yeah, but at least I'm here to be back in the summer now when I'm walking on my shorts. You know, that's the time we're back here.
Yeah, man.
No problem, please. So there. What is name? The barber shop or this? What is Gary's? Gary's. So we are Gary's barber shop.
Nearly 30 here and there.
Oh, so what Gary's? Oh, him. So, who's that?
Gary, the owner of Gary's Barbershop.
Man himself. Man himself.
How the address again? 479 Oakwood Avenue.
Yeah.
Best haircut in the city.
The best?
From Toronto to Portmore, Walltown, Spanish Town, all over. Gary's Barbershop, the best barbershop.
That them say, so we don't. So what them say are the best? Everybody say that.
Right down the line.
Right
down the line.
Yeah.
Man, Gary, Popsy, and Joel.
Yeah, man. I would not tell Joel and gang, you know.
No. Not the gangster Joel.
The barber Joel.
Yeah, man. I'm not in the Queen.
See them man, Gary's,
man.
See them man, them say I say it all the clean fade. All different type of cuts. Low fade, high fade. All different, you know.
So we say active, man. Active, you know.
Yeah.
Active, you know.
This is the spot, you know.
This is the spot, right?
Oh, so Gary, big up yourself, you know. So we're running. Noreen, nice meeting you. Wendy. Bye.
Yo, you can't dance all of them, you know, with them chatting up.
So we're there with the whole team.
Yeah, man, the whole team, man. You have the great.
The great?
How about you? You know where I'm name?
Where name?
Pablo name like me, you know?
Yeah.
That's why me and him get along, so.
Okay.
So here with him name now.
Yeah.
Poco him name, you know?
Oh?
Poco.
That's
why me and him not get along.
Yeah.
You know, see, the kind of two red like that.
think that, yo.
Well, I first give you my vibe.
Papa phone.
You have the general.
The generalist.
You know, so you meet country already from morning.
Yeah.
And you have stout. Alright. Now you have this money with them called stereo.
And a stereo king.
So just take half of my face.
My Lucia and a girl. A stereo but not a stereo king. A stereo.
Garden Sale.
Garden Sale. So this is the chill spot where everybody come and well advised. Awesome. That's true. So you said the idea. So yes, so sit down and watch Kino Live in Jamaica on the TV. Okay. On your phone.
Hey, you say the first time I come down?
Yeah.
When I come back here, I have a piece.
Yeah.
And them say me I walk through one space where me have to dry in my belly.
You're walking through the trenches. Yeah, yeah, guys, you know the thing goes over there, you know, with our viewers, them our subscribers.
See him there?
The boxer?
Shrimpy.
Another boxer film for that.
Now back to that? Now back to the government thing?
Yeah, so we do the thing goes, so we need to advise, you know, passing through the public service, the friends and things, you know? Yeah, man, so. So which part of Jamaica you from?
Manchester.
Oh, Manchester. You? Rockford.
Me?
Yeah, represent Clarendon. Mobile. Represent Portland. St. Ann. So everybody from country. Everybody from
Clarendon people still alive, yo.
Yeah.
Clarendon people open the way for man like me at Kingston.
Yeah.
And them first time come up and farm work, you know. Yeah, man, here, man.
Yo, when I run bank at New Kingston, you know, we used to patrol bank at New Kingston, 13 bank at New Kingston.
What kind of uniform you usually wear?
When me going out the cruiser, 149 cruiser, the man show me 138. He say if anything happen, you have to defend yourself. Me not put me in police.
You know, some progress are real countryman.
Then you know,
Mount countryman. We live in Canada. You can't go buy one city, put the key them bad. Not even $1 for you. Look why man put the key them plastic.
He passed the dollar store every day.
Hey, you think you're easy?
No, so me don't say I'm rich. No, I know where I come from. They're not countryman. But I know, me know say I'm rich. Countryman.
Yo!
So which part of yard you come from? Westmoreland.
Yeah, the sample.
You never seen
My family
roof I'm also fly past you.
my family are Westmoreland too, you know. My family are Westmoreland, you know. You don't know if you're Hurricane? Okay. Beast and Springside. Along the mega head to. Along the mega head to.
Yeah, you run with it. You didn't let me jump on it quicker.
Along the mega head to still on the them side, you know, give us strength.
I don't know area to the farm?
No, I thought all about. No, I'm going to leave before it happened. So,
just left after I left the hurricane.
Yeah. So I don't get my head back, you know.
know, a Sam. 25. That's what we need for the
Some people can't travel for good on this.
I'm going to stop watching the program.
Good on.
I'm a woman, you know.
Okay. Blessed.
You get a medal, Virgin. I don't know that for the good one.
Wagwan.
When me I grew up, you know, one camera, you have to pay somebody to carry the battery pack. I look at the man having an eye on you.
Let's see, get fucked up.
When me I youth, Mr. Man, you have a camera, you
Yeah, man. Big up. Alright then, big up yourself. Yeah, man, see you way, man. Cool now. Yeah.
Man, I look for your thing, you know, bro. You have to carry one big thing for your shoulder, you know, bro.
You carry a small thing now. We don't have to carry anything too big now.
You pay one man to carry the battery pack for you, yo. You have the camera for your shoulder. And look for that. And it's all that. Missing a piece of...
Yes,
you see yourself there?
You know that all the time, man. Can't change.
Man, say back in the days, you have a big camera and back to park and everything. And now he must do something small as this. He must say all himself. Like he must say, Jaja.
Yes, madam.
Look for me, I look nice. Yo, me I tell you, man, in other days, bro.
Yeah.
The camera big, you have to rest it on your shoulder. You can't hold it on your hands.
Yeah.
So you have now. Look how
little, right?
Bro. Look.
I know, but I watch my YouTube.
Yeah. Technology time change, you know.
That's why you have to be careful what you do, yo. Because everybody has a camera, yo. Everybody has a fucking camera, yo.
I'll tell you something. Enough time. The years now we are saying like there's more time they run like different spots like here where man them get together.
Yeah.
Man them just say, yo, they man need for them on some channel.
Yeah.
Sometimes so sit one go on and boy we laugh to really
don't take us come out.
Yeah.
Especially like I didn't know or something.
But stuff like that cut down crime too. Because you know everybody have a camera, so you be careful of what you do. Before you don't care, give up and nobody think. But now you know, it's slow down crime, bro. Because everybody has a camera, bro. Everybody has a camera. I cannot, you know. Yeah, people too bad to pick yo. Yeah, me know me a Jamaican. Why you think me afraid to go back?
Say, I'll not go back
in. The nicest place I am, you know. A Jamaica, the nicest place at the place of the hurt, you know, bro.
The people them.
Say, not go back yet? How long may you left Jamaica?
I go back about 10 years ago.
That's a long time.
Why you come back here and you never go back?
Yeah, I go back here.
Which part you go?
But my mother, my father, everybody there, my sister, my 4 sisters. Everybody there, Manchester.
Let's do America.
How much time you go back here since you live at
He's been there for about 5 times.
And how long are you there for?
37 years.
37 years.
I can hear that.
Me not have no citizenship.
I can hear that. You're not a Jamaican.
Alright, that's it. No. Me think, yo. You know what? Even today, may I tell you, you know, may I bless it. Me there woman on one mind to just walk out of the house. Me walk out of the house. When me go to the road, me running on my virgin, he give me $20. And me want to find him, you know, me not have his number, you know. Me find him, me get the next man number. Same time, Shears, the late. She give me $20 if I move 3 bags of salt here, you know.
Yeah, big up, you know. I will not get into yeah, man, more love, yeah? Yeah. General, man, yeah, Empress. Dan.
Pleasure meeting you, man. Okay. Keep me blessed.
So see you soon.
Yes, yes.
Auntie! Oh no, I'm gonna cry. Guys, I'm gonna cry. Auntie, thank you so much for the love, yeah? Say hello, say hello. Wow, guys, trust me, I'm gonna miss Auntie, you know, so much. It's that time of the day to take care, yeah? I'm gonna call you.
Yes, absolutely.
Thank you so much for everything, man.
Yes.
I will.
Okay then. Go there.
That way, right? Home, sweet home. Yes, guys, so I had a wonderful time. You know, the experience was lovely, you know, while I was here. You know, it was so lovely. So it's that time, you know? It's that time, boy. So it's time for me to go check in. Na na na. Wow. Alright, it's busy. It's busy here in the morning. I wonder if it's busy here in the morning.
What do you have to ask me?
Hello, Shara.
Wait, I'm getting my lip gloss.
So that means like
You have the man them look for me away.
I mean, so like how your friend recognize me, we can just go express through.
I wish.
Let's
I could
ask her.
ask somebody, you wanna think? Okay, come.
Yeah, ask her. Make she come say hello too. Make she come say hello. Hey, guys, I got recognized. So here she coming. Huh? No. Hey, can I get it free? You get your bag free?
Free? One bag free.
One bag.
Second bag get me.
No, but it's already did.
You already think? Okay.
Yeah, so I'm good. I'm gonna get a free bag. Let me. All right. Come, whoop, get an express. Oh, that's side. Yeah.
Good morning. Where are you traveling to?
Jamaica.
Where in Jamaica?
Kingston. Manners, my general, manners. Guys, I'm looking for Kino Life in Jamaica.
Oh, I think I heard it.
Kino. Of course you know. There's people there that know me already. YouTube.
Good job,
Mainly.
sir.
Thank you, thank you. Just, yeah.
Alright, when you're boarding, put that into that. Which one do you want to allow you to board?
Really?
Just put it in it. That's it.
I'll take
Or
off
put
it.
that inside this. Just dim it down to like 2, 1.
Oh, really?
Or bring that up. Put that in.
Alright, I'm gonna try. I'm gonna fit it when I finish there. So should I put these on?
No, put it.
Sasha a good person? Okay, see, so good.
She's a quiet, spicy meatball.
For Virgo?
The best of the best.
Yeah, Virgo is the best.
Just don't mess with her.
Yeah, because she's humble and she's quiet, right? That's Virgo.
And the other two.
Sleeping giants. You don't want to wake them up.
But a lot of people don't know.
Yeah. Oh.
Bye,
Sure.
sir. So are you coming back or are you saying? How much budget too?
Yeah.
Then we'll go in.
No?
You wouldn't have nice
to meet you, sir.
All right, then, nice to meet you. Bye, everyone. Bye.
Alright, first one I'm gonna see.
Alright, first one.
You start worrying.
No, but wait them still.
Wait. You know, so that yes?
I'm waiting.
How much? What do we?
Now it says 21.2.
Okay, say that out.
Good, right? See? Measure it with my hand. So this one. Turn this on.
My next one. Put it on the side. You have a side handle, put the side handle.
Oh, 20.5.
20.5.
Yeah.
I'm gonna change your seat here. I'll get the emergency exit room.
Okay. What's that, window?
Yeah, don't touch nothing.
No, we don't touch nothing, man. Come on. Them trust me, that's why they put me right there. Put me right there. Is it a window?
It's right at the door.
Okay. No window?
There's no window there?
Oh, chase it right at the door. I'm just put it and come out.
Tell them again, no touch nothing.
No touch nothing?
No touch nothing, just the jinx in it.
Not even for liquor fresh air?
No. Fresh air when you come out. Yeah, you know, take them fresh air.
Is it not fresh air?
Where are the things, sir?
Yeah.
Watching you.
Yeah, well, if me are watching you, you have to reach my yard.
I don't want it, no fresh air.
Yeah, gonna be the first YouTuber I get beaten on YouTube.
Don't it? I'm gonna record it as well too. First.
Alright, so you're checking 2, right?
Yeah.
You pay for 1.
Not 2, man.
You pay for 1.
Oh, look. You never get 1. In the time of Melissa.
You not pay no. You done with your hands. You done with your hands.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Ooh, I'm getting all the love today. I'm getting all the love. See them says good things do good in life.
How much bag you have? You can only have 1 though.
Let me put this into this.
Okay, because if you want to show the thing, I want to show it in the front.
Alright then, yeah.
You think this guy narrowed on?
What's your name again on YouTube?
Hey,
I was just watching.
Hey,
I was just watching him.
I'm on the just.
Huh? No, I was just watching him.
You're just watching me. Come.
You were at the Jamaica Canadian Center.
Yeah, guys, she was just watching me.
Hi, guys.
She's watching me, and I'm here now watching her on my TV.
Yes.
You know? Thank you so much.
I'll watch out for me.
Alright.
Okay.
So she's gonna see she.
So bring the back this morning. Put it up flat.
Oh, this one I'm not. Oh, this up tight, right?
Yeah. When it gone, you put up the other one. My workers, man. You're saying come present himself?
Yeah, man. Secure and watch her. She's alright, man. She's well protected by
That's
me, yeah?
for you. You are all set.
Thank you so much.
You are so welcome. Now you're gonna go down to the Canadian flag.
Oh, Jamaica. Don't worry, man. Just for me.
You know social media.
I'm gone, man. I'm gone. Remember, you have her right now. I'm gone.
Get your bags then.
Oh. Thank you, Cathy.
You have a great flight.
I will. Ooh, I'm gonna miss Canada. I'm coming back in the summer.
Oh. All right. Now you go down to the Canadian flag. You're all set.
Alright, thank you.
No.
Bye. Alright, okay. That is good. Trust me, you got the love, You want to see the line, I got Express through because I've been recognized. Thank you so much for the lovely, thank you guys so much for the love that you just show, you know. Thank you. I hope each time I come here, you're always there, so I can always get through quick and fast. Yeah. Yeah, well, thank you so much, man. I forgot their names. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the love. Yeah, so time for me to go get check. How is it here? It's up there. So guys, here. So I'm gonna check in right now. Go get something to eat. I'm going through security. Yeah, everything is okay. Alright guys, so I've been through all my checks already. Yeah, I've been through my checks. Imagine them send through my laptop and my camera and invisible. So them have to check it again, so I have to literally wait. Imagine them run through and put it through the system and it was invisible. That means it was protected by the Most High, you know, and put a cover over it, and then put the receipt. Then say, no, I'm going to run it back through again. Then run it back through and it comes up, say, yes, I see you. But yeah, so literally like about an hour away before, let me see the time now. Yeah, the next hour before boarding time, so I'm going to relax a bit. I'm going to get something to eat, that's early in the morning here, and then get ready for my flight. So let me see what I'm going to eat. So I'm going to walk and see what's here. Oh, I need to buy it. Alright guys, so it's about time getting closer for me to board, you know, so guys, remember whenever I'm there, remember this the 21st is when the nurses is then literally is going to do a health screening, you know, here in Trenchtown. Also a pediatrician also is going to be here as well too. So guys, so please remember to stay tuned for all of that. And the GoFundMe is also there, you know, the link is there as well too if you want to give a donation to help out the cause of the Hurricane Melissa relief, you know, by giving materials or giving food, anything you want to give, you know, anything you want to donate, we appreciate it and I thank you so much, you know. So please remember guys, remember the link is there, you know, share to that friend, you know. No matter how small it is, you know, we give thanks, you know, because we're here to rebuild back our country, you know, so we give a thanks for everything that you guys been doing, so we thank you so much for your support, you know, so please be kind, you know, please just thank you in advance as well too. If you already donated, thank you also, because we have some donors that already donated. I would thank them so much, you know, so we thank all our excellent family that donated towards the cause already. So that's it.
No, you can't bring it to check out. You can't buy it here.
Boarding time, guys. And I got emergency row. So you know, when you get emergency row, you get to go on quick, you know. So big up to all the employees that work here, you know, thank those wonderful ladies that acknowledge me and thank you for, you know, for giving me that treatment.
How are you?
I'm good. through this big clouds. Look at this cloud we're going right into. Wow. On the cloud we're going right into the cloud. Wow. It's like when the plane go through the cloud, you just feel the plane. Whenever I go through the cloud, you can feel it, literally. And there is Jamaica. Sweet, sweet Jamaica. Home, sweet home. Home, sweet home, guys. So we are about to land. There's a lot of clouds still lingering around. So many clouds, same way. Look at this next big cloud we're going into. And each time we go through the cloud, you can feel the turbulence going through the clouds. Look at this one. See, turbulence again. The turbulence going through the clouds. Plane is shaking. Look at the wing. Look at the wing flapping out there. See? You go through the cloud and it's like pure turbulence. The wing is flapping. So out the clouds. There's so many clouds still here in Jamaica. Oh wow. First time I ever flying back to Jamaica, I'm going through so much clouds. Literally, look again, so much. I've been through so much. More cloud, more turbulence as well. Look how dark is it in here? Look, oh my, look how dark it is inside here. Dark inside here. Look. All you can see now is white. And we're in Jamaica, you know, we're literally here in Jamaica. You know, and we're going through so much clouds. So coming out the cloud now, I guess. Should be coming out. Chilling clouds, dark. Yeah, the cloud please get dark here. You can see Jamaica now, finally. Wow, there's a lot of clouds, boy. It's clearing up. It's clearing up now. Beautiful Jamaica. Home, 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 home.
Yeah.
about to touch down in any minute now. Here we go. Smooth. Early, you know, the plane literally speed up in the air, you know, take the highway, it never take the back road, so it make a reach here well quick. Just imagine that, the plane take the highway, it never take no toll, the plane never take no toll, it just take the highway, you know, straight highway, reach here quick and fast. Well guys, I'm back home, back home. It's good to be home. It's good to be back home. So, you know, all the thing goes, guys. Remember, I'm here on the ground. You know, some sort of link for the GoFundMe is there in the description, and it's also I'm going to share it also on my timeline. So if guys don't want to donate anything to help for the cause, you know, getting food, you know, getting food, materials, anything, you know, we're going to need all of the support we can get, you know, because, you know, definitely I'm going to head to Westmoreland because that's where I got some family relative on the Eastern Spring, and that place really got hit bad, so I definitely want to go down there. So I'm going to bring some groceries, some food, some care package when I'm going also to see how bad the damage is, because the damages look really bad, you know, on video, but I know probably worse than that when you see it in public eye, you know.
Yes, Akeynote, Dan.
Big up yourself, man.
Jonah, big up yourself, Jonah.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. You're virgin, Vevo.
Yeah.
Why you know you me attack?
Big up Junior Lifestyle.
Yeah, man. Big up Junior Lifestyle, man.
When I'm on the social media.
I'm general this, you know.
Let me know watch him all the while.
Man.
Watch it. Let's get to see my name now.
You watch me. Oh, big up yourself. Yeah, because I do, man. Lifestyle.
General.
Two hats.
Yeah.
One front and one the next side.
Yeah, man.
And one
Spanish Town, you know.
Yeah.
Oh, there, man.
Spanish Town.
William Street.
Oh, William Street.
Nice, man.
I'm coming over them side a whole part time as I can see come help people.
Oh, yeah. Go check your
Capture land, racing.
Yeah.
Capture land side.
Yeah, we see, go check the big one over there.
Yeah, so we do on social media, what you do?
Used to produce music, you know.
Okay.
So my DJ. My pictures and
Okay. Keep stage show back in the picture.
Oh, see.
He's a journeyman,
Talented. So you don't do music, you don't sing? Nah, DJ.
Write song.
Oh, you write song?
I'm a songwriter, producer. But I can sing and I can DJ.
Okay, see. You know, because we can't stay there too long, yeah?
Yes, Akeynote, respect.
General.
Blessing.
Big up, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Watch I know, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch I know, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.